Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 435 horsepower engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we have the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer, new fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor. Engine block is painted black with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct front sump oil pan for the 66 Mustang. We installed the oil pressure extension for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rock arms are fully adjusted and set. We have these real nice 289 hypo chrome valve covers with the correct breather on there. Distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold. This is the 14-inch air cleaner, the hypo air cleaner with the correct filter. We have the Holley carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. We have the correct standard flywheel on there for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. We will be installing the starter index plate after the test. That will be all set up for the customer, the proper one. We have the heavy duty Russell PCV line on there, hose. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups, the vacuum tee. Electric choke wire, chrome fuel line, AN fittings, again, Russell fuel line. Chrome dipstick and tube. We have the alternator, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. High flow aluminum standard rotation water pump. Correct lower hose location on the passenger side for the 66 Mustang. Coolant bypass hose. Correct thermostat housing. High flow thermostat. MSD ignition coil. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. We set the idle mixer screws, get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call. 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family operated business here. So there you have it. Again, a 347 Ford, 435 horsepower engine for the 1966 Mustang. Thanks for watching.